How to enable and use VR mode in YouTube. Hello everybody, welcome to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can enable and use VR mode in YouTube. So just follow the steps I am telling you right now. So using VR to watch videos helps you to connect with the video in a 360 way, in a 3D way that feels realistic and is fun. So what you can do is go to YouTube and search for VR reality videos, virtual reality videos. Just tap on it. After that, for example, I am gonna use this video, let's say in VR when I'm connecting VR to my device. So tap on this video. After tapping on this video, you see this settings icon. What you need to do is tap on this settings icon at the top right. After that, tap on additional settings and you can see the option called watching VR. Just click on this option, and after that you need to connect your VR into your device in order to play the video with VR. Just tap on continue after connecting your VR and you will be successfully able to look the video in VR. So in that way you can enable and use VR mode in YouTube. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.